So this is the kit we used, and yes, so right now we are taking it out, and as you can see, this is all the stuff that we are going to use. So, yeah. Right now we are cleaning it off with some rubbing alcohol. And yeah, what that's doing is just cleaning it off and make sure nothing will get into this. Now right now we are trying to pop the air bubbles, the potential air bubbles I should say, that are in this little crack thing. I don't know how to explain it. And well, if you find this satisfying, that's you. And this took us about 20 minutes to get this, like, taken off, I guess. I don't know. It was weird. And this part right here, it wasn't that hard to put on. It was just like a little tube that, as you can see, right about, I don't know, in a couple minutes there should be some liquid that's going into it. And I thought that was so satisfying. Yeah, right there's the liquid stuff. And then you can see up in the corner what we were doing. We were trying to get all the air out. Then we left that for 20 minutes. And we came back. And it looked like this. So we just had to now just kind of let it set. And then we waited an hour. Then we came back. And yeah, we took it off. And we did this. I kept thinking that looked like a kaleidoscope or whatever those are called. And when we took it off, it wasn't that satisfying. That was just the ice maker in the background. And so... And right now you're just making sure the air bubbles are all out, right? Yeah, exactly. We're just making sure the air bubbles are all out. That gave me a heart attack. Now we are trying to take this blade thing, like the, you know what I mean, stuff off the blade, so we can peel it off. Like this. Like, we put a little thing on there and now we have to peel it off. Yeah. This was probably one of the weirdest videos to film because it was just chaotic to film. So, it's crazy if it even came out looking good, which it kind of looks good, but I'm surprised it did. Okay. So, right now, this took us a little bit to get this off. I think it took us about 3 minutes. So I sped it up so you didn't have to watch 3 minutes of us trying to take this off. And yeah, we just made sure it was pretty clean. And well, that's been it. So listen to the outro, I guess. I don't know. Here's the outro. Enjoy. So yeah, that's been us, and we're out. Peace.